Good morning, everybody. It's Sherry. I have another project share for you. I've been doing some crocheting. I'm making several sets of these for gifts for family and friends for the holidays. But I just thought I would come in and show them to you. And I got these patterns off of Pinterest. And if I can find a direct link for them, I will put it in the description of the video. There's several different ideas and ways to make these, and I'm going to be putting string on the top of them so that they can be ornaments, because that's what they were intended for. However, I haven't got that part done. I just wanted to share these with you. I have Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, I have Santa Claus, and I have a snowman, and I will put them to the side and I will show them to you one at a time. Oh, my little thing's going to go off 1,000 times now. Let me see if I can stop it. I was going to try to find the links real quick, and I had to turn my tablet on. Anyway, so here is my snowman. This is the first one that I have created, and I'm going to find some tiny buttons. I have to wait till I can go to town. Find some tiny buttons and put them down through here. Again, it is going off a million times. I don't know why my tablet does that, even if I take it off of my phone. But I just thought he's would be really cute. And I have some ribbon that I bought. I got this off of Amazon. Let me show you what it is. It's like rope or string or whatever that you put on gifts. I have it in gold and I have it in silver. It looks like this, and I'm going to put it in through the top of these and turn them into little ornaments to hang off the tree. So he'll have a little thing right here to hang off of the tree. Anyway, there is my snowman. He comes with a scarf. Like I said, I got to go buy buttons to put down the front of his little body. And then I have Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Now, the pattern that I found did not have a body. It's just him and his head. And I did them all kind of a little bit different, where I put their antlers at for a different look. His is kind of crooked, and his little ears are like, they're there, but they hang down a little bit different. The noses are all a little bit different as well. And I'm going to, when my son comes home, this little ribbon that I put on here for around his neck, I want to have him tie that in like a tie so that he's got a little tie coming down here. I thought that would be really cute. I just used little 6mm safety eyes with the backs and the stuffing on these that you buy at Walmart. I'm not sure what the name of it is, but it's just stuffing. And then the other one is my Santa Claus. And he is finished. However, I don't know. You guys, what do you think? Should I make his little mouth have some red in it? Or should I just leave it the way that it is? Comment in the videos below, and I will think about that, and I'll read your comments and we'll see where it goes. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit like. And again, I'm going to try to find the patterns for you guys that I used, but I did get them off of Pinterest, and they are just so cute. I've got a few more to put together. I've got them all crocheted. I'm just in the assembling part now of it. So, yeah, let me know what you think, and I just thought I would share that with you. All right, you guys, you have a wonderful day, and if I don't talk to you for the rest of the week, you enjoy your week and your weekend coming up, and happy holidays. I know it's Thanksgiving, so we're trying to think about being thankful, but at the same time, it's time to start on our crafts for Christmas, because if we don't, we'll never get them done in time. All right, you guys have, again, a wonderful day, and I will be talking to you soon. All right, bye.